Our world runs on data. Every day, we trust complex systems with our personal information, financial details, and even our health records. Protecting this data is paramount, and that's where security engineers come in. These skilled professionals act as the guardians of the digital realm, safeguarding our information from ever-evolving threats. Security engineers are the architects and defenders of secure systems. They design, implement, and maintain security measures that protect organizations and individuals from cyber attacks. Their work is essential in today's interconnected world, where data breaches and cybercrime pose constant risks. Becoming a security engineer is a challenging but rewarding career path. It demands a passion for technology, a thirst for knowledge, and an unwavering commitment to staying ahead of malicious actors. But the rewards are immense, offering the opportunity to make a real difference in a world increasingly reliant on digital security. If you're driven by the challenge of protecting digital assets and ensuring the safety of online interactions, then a career as a security engineer might be your calling. Let's explore the steps you can take to embark on this exciting journey. Before diving into the specialized skills of a security engineer, you need a solid foundation in core IT concepts. This includes a strong understanding of operating systems like Windows and Linux, as well as networking fundamentals like TCP, IP, and common protocols. Familiarity with scripting languages like Python or Bash is also crucial. These languages allow you to automate tasks, analyze data, and interact with security tools effectively. Additionally, a basic understanding of databases and web applications will be beneficial, as these are common targets for attackers. Don't be overwhelmed by the breadth of knowledge required. Start with the fundamentals and gradually build your understanding. There are numerous online resources, courses, and certifications available to guide you through this initial learning phase. The key is to approach it step by step, mastering one concept at a time. With a solid IT foundation, you can start exploring the specific skills and tools used by security engineers. One of the most critical areas is security testing. This involves identifying vulnerabilities in systems and applications before attackers can exploit them. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, is a key aspect of security testing. It involves simulating real-world attacks to uncover weaknesses in your defenses. You'll need to learn about different penetration testing methodologies, tools, and techniques. Other essential skills include security information and event management, SIEM, tools, intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, and firewalls. These tools help monitor network traffic, detect suspicious activity, and prevent unauthorized access. Imagine a list of the most common and dangerous security flaws found in web applications. That's essentially what the Open Web Application Security Project, OWASP Top 10, represents. This list, updated regularly by security experts worldwide, provides a crucial framework for understanding and mitigating web application vulnerabilities. From injection flaws and broken authentication to cross-site scripting, XSS, and sensitive data exposure, each vulnerability on the OWASP Top 10 represents a potential entry point for attackers. Understanding how these vulnerabilities work, their potential impact, and how to prevent them is paramount for any aspiring security engineer. By studying the OWASP Top 10, you'll gain valuable insights into the tactics used by malicious actors and learn how to build secure and resilient applications. It's an essential resource for anyone involved in web application development or security. Section 5. Real-world experience. Diving into vulnerability disclosure programs or VDPs. The best way to learn is by doing. Vulnerability disclosure programs offer a safe and legal environment to apply your skills and gain practical experience in ethical hacking. These programs encourage security researchers to find and report vulnerabilities in their systems. By participating in VDPs, you get to test your skills against real-world targets, discover vulnerabilities, and contribute to making the internet a safer place. It's a win-win situation. You gain valuable experience, and companies can improve their security posture. Many organizations, from tech giants to startups, have VDPs in place. Start by researching programs that align with your interests and skill level. Some programs even offer rewards or recognition for finding critical vulnerabilities. Section 6. The power of community networking and collaboration. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. Networking with other security professionals is crucial for staying informed about the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and best practices. Attend industry conferences, join online forums and communities, and participate in Capture the Flag competitions. These events provide invaluable opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, learn from experts, and test your skills in a fun and challenging environment. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. The cybersecurity community is vast and welcoming. By engaging with others, sharing your knowledge, and learning from their experiences, you'll accelerate your growth as a security engineer. Section 7. Staying ahead of the curve. Continuous learning and security. The world of cybersecurity is in a constant state of flux. New threats emerge daily and existing vulnerabilities evolve. To thrive as a security engineer, embrace continuous learning as a way of life. Stay updated on the latest attack vectors, security best practices, and emerging technologies. Follow industry blogs, subscribe to security newsletters, and listen to podcasts featuring experts in the field. The more you expose yourself to different perspectives and the latest developments, the better equipped you'll be to face new challenges. Consider pursuing advanced certifications to validate your skills and demonstrate your commitment to professional growth. Certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, Offensive Security Certified Professional, and Certified Information Systems Security Professional are highly regarded in the industry. Section 8. Embracing the challenge. Your journey to becoming a security engineer. Becoming a security engineer is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a genuine passion for cybersecurity. The path may seem daunting at times, but the rewards are well worth the effort. You'll have the opportunity to make a tangible difference in protecting individuals and organizations from cyber threats. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead. Never stop learning, and remain actively engaged with the security community. Your journey to becoming a security engineer starts today. Take the first step and embark on this exciting and rewarding career path.